Ever wondered what it's like to watch your favorite reels on a screen that's actually bigger than your hand? With reels already bringing in a massive $50 billion a year, Meta has finally brought that experience straight to your living room. Launched in December 2025, this new app is officially changing how we scroll. Something pretty big just happened in the world of social media. You know how we usually scroll through Instagram on our phones while sitting on the couch? Well, Meta decided it was time to move that experience from your tiny handheld screen to the biggest screen in your house. In December 2025, they officially launched Instagram for TV. It is basically a brand new way to watch reels without having to hold your phone or deal with tiny text. It's designed specifically for televisions, and it's a massive step for Instagram as they try to compete with giants like YouTube and TikTok for your living room time. Have you ever tried to show a funny video to someone and ended up just passing your phone back and forth? This new app is meant to fix exactly that. It turns those quick, catchy videos into a lean-back experience that you can enjoy with everyone in the room. Why put Instagram on a TV? Meta moved Instagram to TV because users were already casting reels together, proving short videos work better as a shared experience. This shift targets the remaining 98% of users who never cast content, unlocking the most valuable screen at home. With Reels already generating $50 billion annually, Instagram now competes directly with YouTube and TikTok for living room viewing time. What can you actually watch? The most important thing to know is that this app is all about Reels. You won't find your friends' photos, you won't see stories, and you can't check your DMs here. It is a focused video platform. Each video is kept to a maximum of 3 minutes, staying true to that quick, snappy style we all know. Since this is meant for the living room, Instagram has also put some rules in place. The app has a PG-13 rating, which means the content is generally safe for a family setting. You won't have to worry as much about something inappropriate popping up while you're hanging out with the kids or your parents. How do you feel about watching vertical videos on a wide TV screen? It sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? Instagram decided to keep the videos in their vertical format instead of stretching them out. They didn't want to ruin the way creators originally filmed their content. So, you'll see the video in the middle, and the extra space on the sides is filled with things like captions, likes, and information about who made the video. Unlike the mobile app where you just keep scrolling down forever, the TV app uses a channel-based system. When you open it up, you'll see different categories like music, sports highlights, travel, and comedy. It looks more like a streaming service like Netflix or Hulu. This is meant to help with decision fatigue. Sometimes you just want to sit down and have something play without having to choose every single video. Once you pick a channel, the reels will autoplay one after another. The app supports shared homes by allowing up to 5 accounts on one TV, so each person gets a separate For You feed. A separate TV-only account can also be created to keep mobile activity private. Navigation is kept simple using the TV remote, with arrow keys to move across thumbnails. Skipping to the next video works by pressing up on the directional pad, similar to phone swiping. Basic actions like likes and comments work, and Instagram is building a phone as remote feature to make searching easier. This would let you type on your phone keyboard or use gestures to navigate the TV screen. It's a smart way to bridge the gap between the two devices. Do you think using your phone as a remote makes things easier, or is it just another thing to keep track of? Since Instagram is moving into the shared family space, they've made sure their safety features moved with them. If a teenager logs into the TV app, all the protections they have on their phone are still there. This includes things like private account settings and filters that block sensitive content. Even the time limits and sleep mode reminders carry over. If a teen has a limit on how much they can use Instagram, the time they spend watching on the TV counts toward that total. It's a solid way to make sure the transition to the big screen doesn't mean losing control over screen time.
Right now, Instagram for TV is a pilot program available only in the United States on select Amazon Fire TV devices. To start watching, simply visit the Amazon App Store, search for Instagram, and download the app directly to your television. You can sign in using your regular account or a quick link from your phone to avoid the hassle of typing. While it's currently exclusive to Amazon, Meta has already announced plans to expand to Roku, Apple TV, and Samsung TVs soon. This limited rollout helps the team perfect the lean-back experience before launching it to the rest of the world. Instagram is already planning massive updates for 2026, including a feature called Blend that creates a shared feed for you and your friends. They are also developing creator-specific channels, so you can binge-watch all the content from your favorite accounts like a traditional TV show. You might see more microdramas, which are short, scripted stories told across several reels to keep you hooked. While the app is currently ad-free, this is only temporary as Meta focuses on the user experience before introducing commercials. Eventually, those billions in ad revenue seen on mobile will make their way to your living room. Is it better than the mobile app? The TV app offers a passive vibe that turns your feed into a background entertainment source rather than a constant doom scroll. Instead of active tapping, you can just sit back and let the algorithm flow, similar to leaving a music channel on. The biggest hurdle remains the vertical video format, which leaves empty bars on the sides of your widescreen TV. However, keeping the original look is a priority for Instagram to stay true to the creator's vision. With a community of 3 billion users, Instagram is betting this shared experience can finally challenge YouTube and TikTok for your couch time. Instagram for TV is a bold move. It's trying to change the way we think about social media, turning it from a lonely phone habit into a group activity. Whether people will actually want to watch vertical reels on a horizontal TV for hours is still the big question. For now, it's a fun, ad-free way to explore the best of what Instagram has to offer on a much bigger scale. If you have an Amazon Fire TV, it's definitely worth a download just to see how your favorite creators look on the big screen. Would you prefer to watch Reels on your TV, or is Instagram strictly a phone-only thing for you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.